There are two frigid zones, one in each hemisphere. The northern frigid zone lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, while the southern frigid zone lies between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole, respectively. Arctic is the world's coldest region. The places around the poles are permanently covered with ice and are frozen throughout the year. North parts of Canada, Alaska, Scandinavia, coastal Greenland, Iceland, and Siberia fall in this region. The area around the poles is uninhabited due to severe cold and lack of vegetation. Many expeditions have been taken up to these places for explorations. Greenland, location and land surface. Greenland is the largest island in the world located towards the northeast of North America. Eric the Red, the famous explorer, spent 3 years exploring this island and named it Greenland. Greenland is separated from the northern islands of Canada by Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait. Greenland is a part of Denmark, the smallest Scandinavian country situated in northern Europe. Greenland covers an area of about 2,175,000 square kilometers. Greenland is a low plateau surrounded by coastal mountains. The mountains are always covered with thick snow. This ice covering is known as ice cap. Often, these bits of ice caps break off and slide down into the sea. The ice blocks of floating ice are called icebergs. Greenland looks white as about 80% of its area is permanently shrouded by snow and ice. The ice moves in the form of glaciers. Climate. Both the north and south frigid zones are far from equator, so they receive the slanting rays of sun in summer. This sunlight is so weak that it is not even enough for warming the land. Greenland is very cold throughout the year. We may see the sun only for 3 months, but continuously for several weeks. Winters are very severe and temperatures may drop to -40 degrees C. In summer, which hardly extends for 2 to 3 months, the temperature may rise to 3 to 12 degrees C. Rainfall may range from 15 to 30 centimeters in a year. Temperature, however, still remains below freezing point. Plant life. The soil is permanently frozen except in the summer seasons. Mosses, lichens, grasses, and bushes are the only plants growing in this region. A few flower-bearing plants and berry-bearing shrubs such as blueberries, cranberries, and wild currants are seen. Some inhabitants grow a few vegetables for personal consumption. It is impossible for trees to grow here. There are no forests in this region. Wood is brought in from other countries. A few animals can survive the extreme cold in this region because of the thick white coat of the fur on their bodies. Reindeer, caribou, bear, hare, ermine, and musk ox and wolf-like dogs called huskies are found in Greenland. Some birds such as the Arctic tern and snowy owl also inhabit the region. Apart from these animals and birds, plenty of fish, whales, seals, and walruses are also found here. Human life. Eskimos, the original inhabitants of Greenland, call their land Kalalit Nunat, which means our land. Eskimos live in houses called igloos. Life is very rough and difficult here. Their main occupation is hunting and trapping of animals and reindeer herding. They also catch fish like salmon and Arctic char along the coast. They are used to hunt whales, seals, and walrus with harpoons, spears tied with leather ropes, bows and arrows made of wood, and whale bones are also used as weapons. They would hunt these animals on small boats made of seal or walrus skin known as kayaks. They no longer use harpoons nowadays, but they have started using rifles to hunt animals. They have also started living in permanent wooden houses instead of igloos. Inuits live in Greenland, northern Alaska, and Canada. The Yupiks live in western Alaska and far east regions of Russia. Besides the Inuits who are found in the tundra region, Lapps are found in northern part of Scandinavia, and Samoyeds, Yakuts, and Chukchis are found in Siberia. Throughout the year, we may see the sun only for 3 months but continuously for several weeks. Winters are very severe and temperatures may drop to minus 40 degrees Celsius. In summer, the temperature may rise to 3 to 12 degrees. Rainfall may range from 15 to 30 centimeter in a year.